I have the Rabbit R1 and I'll be showing you how to charge this device. Now, given that this device does not come with a power brick, does not come with a Type-C cable or any other cable for that matter, how do you charge this device? Well, it's very simple. All you need is a Type-C cable because the device itself comes with a Type-C port, and any Type-C charger will work as long as the other side is connected to power. All you have to do is plug in your device and the other end of the cable to a power source, and that's going to charge your Rabbit R1. Okay, so that's all you need to know. That's basically how to charge this device. Now the other end of this cable could be connected to a wall outlet, could be connected to a power bank, your laptop, anything, and it's gonna charge your Rabbit R1. In fact, you can even connect it to a phone with Type-C and it may just charge, especially if you have a flagship like a Galaxy or an iPhone. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.